Hello everyone, I've got a quick one for you today, taking you through call signatures in TypeScript. So if you've seen this syntax before, here's an example from the new Svelte runes. They have the derived rune, which can be called directly, just like a function, but you can also call derive.by, which is another sub-function. It's a property on the derive function. So I'm going to be taking you through how you can create a type for a function with properties in TypeScript. So in JavaScript, you can tack any property onto a function after you create it. Functions are just objects, so you can create a function that does anything, and then after you create it, you can just tack on another property. It could be a string, it could be another function, it could be anything. So this is perfectly valid in JavaScript and also perfectly valid in TypeScript. In TypeScript, the function will have both of these properties inferred because you define them after you define the function. Sometimes, though, you do need to explicitly type a function up front. For example, maybe you're adding a function as a property of a class, and it needs to have another property that you're going to assign on it later. So in this case, you can use TypeScript's call signatures. These are specifically designed to allow you to add properties to functions. And here I have a function with properties type, and you can see the call signature I've added here. So it's like a property without a name. You just add the parentheses designating any arguments you have. So in this case, I didn't have any arguments, and then the return type after the colon. And now I've defined a call signature, and I can also define the other properties that I have on that object. So now if I use this type on my function, I can ensure that I have all those properties defined on it after I create it. So in this case, I haven't added the prop to my function, and TypeScript will service an error that says property prop is not missing in the current type that I've defined. It's probably best to avoid doing this most of the time, but if you're creating a library or something where you need a little extra flexibility, it's a nice feature in TypeScript. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Have a great day.